So guys, for the first step, you want to get into this screen. Now there are two ways to get into this screen I'm going to show you right now. So for the first way, this is if you can sign into Windows. So I'm in Windows right now, I can sign into it. If you can sign into Windows, you want to head over to search and type in reset this PC, click on it. And then once you're on this, next to advanced startup, you want to click on restart now, and then click on restart now again. It will then take you into that screen. And now if you cannot sign into Windows for the second way, you want to turn off your computer from the power button and then turn it back on again. As your computer turns on again, you're going to be seeing the Windows loading screen. When you see the Windows loading screen, you want to turn off your computer and then turn it back on again. Repeat this 3 times and it will take you into here. So again, turn off your computer from the power button and then turn it on again. When you see the Windows loading screen, turn off your computer and then turn it on again. Repeat this 3 times and then it will take you into this screen. If this error message comes up, you want to click on Advanced Options, which will then take you to here. Okay, so now once you're on this screen, we're going to click on Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and then you're going to click on Startup Settings. If you do not see Startup Settings, you're going to click on SEMA Recovery Options, then it's going to appear right here. So you're going to click on Startup Settings, and then click on Restart. Wait for this to load. And now once you're on this, you want to disable driver signature enforcement. So you want to click on either 7 or F7 on your keyboard. So click on 7 or F7. Now you want to wait for this to load. It will then take you into Windows and then the problem should be fixed.